This video will present to you 8 different techniques that you can use to smooth out your sounds. We'll be talking about how you can make them sound blended, not so in your face, and we'll also focus on reducing harsh frequencies. Number 1. Resonance suppression. At the beginning we should start with the best option available, and that is a resonance suppressor. This tool detects resonances and reduces their volume just like a compressor. This particular plugin allows you to set the intensity of volume reduction, increase or decrease it in certain parts, or completely target only a part of the frequency spectrum. This gives you a full control over the harshness of the sound and does a phenomenal job at cleaning it.
But they sounded fires, I'm seeing red. They keep dropping bombs, but they're not gonna win. But they sounded fires, I'm seeing red. They keep dropping bombs, but...
Number 2. Transient shaping. Transient shapers smooth out greatly drums but can work for other sounds too if they are punchy. Put a transient shaper on a sound and decrease its attack. In this plugin you can decrease the intensity of transients, making the whole drum loop smoother. Number 3. Reverb. Reverb is a great tool for smoothing out your sounds as it blends them with the reflections of the room. Try using lower decays, full frequency range, and mixing it a bit with the original signal. Remember that different reverbs will give you different sounds, so experiment with that. Number 4. OTT. OTT is a type of a multi-band compressor that does wonders. It makes the overall tone of the sound brighter, less muddy, and better controlled. Slap it onto a sound and start mixing it with the original signal.
Put it on my body, baby, show me all your way. Put it on my body, baby, show me. Put it on my body, baby.
At some point you will notice a nice tonal balance starting to appear. Make sure to use the time knob to set the desired dynamic level. More time means more dynamic sound, less time means more squashed sound.
Put it on my body, baby.
You can also boost certain frequency bands with these 3 knobs to adjust the sound to your needs.
Put it on my body, baby, show me all your. Put it on my body.
Number 5. EQ cuts. One of the ways to get rid of harshness and standing out frequencies is simply reducing their volume with an EQ. You can either use a simple EQ or you can use a dynamic one. The dynamic one will only work when there is too much of the targeted frequencies and will not reduce the volume when it's not necessary. Number 6. Chorus. Blending your sound with its detuned duplicates will make your sound faded. You can use a lot of chorus or a little for a subtle smoothing. You can also target certain frequencies with a filter. Number 7. Phaser. If we're talking about chorus, we cannot forget about phaser. If you set the rate of the phaser to 0 to eliminate the modulation, you can now adjust the tone with the rest of the knobs. I find this one really useful for making the sound more natural. Number 8. White noise. White noise is in nature a very smooth and pleasant sound. Using an envelope follower you can mix it with the original sound a bit. You can also create a separate track as a layer and use an envelope follower applied to the volume of the noise to match the shape of the original sound. You can also manually adjust the envelope, cut the low end as it's usually unnecessary and makes the sound muddy. Boom, that's it for this video, hope it was helpful. If you know any other ways of smoothing your sounds, let me know. If you're looking for some quality sample and preset packs, check out oversampled.us. And if you're looking for some quality plugins, check out plugins at oversampled.us. Have a great day and see you soon.